the channel. My name is Joseph, and today I'm going to be introducing you guys to my 2001 Volkswagen Jetta. Let's get into it. It is a 1.8 turbo, it's also a 5-speed, and I bought the car about 3 months ago. Had around 160,000 miles on it. Right now it has 172,000 so far. I've replaced a couple things. I'll go through those things that I replaced for you guys. And also I'm going to show you guys also what I've done to the car, and also what the car came with when I also had it, when I bought it from the guy. And it's a pretty cool story as well. The guy that I bought it from owned the car for like 11 years, and then the guy before that bought the car brand new. So it's only been through 2 people, and they both taken really good care of it, have all the service manuals and the owner manuals and everything like that. And yeah, let me show you guys what's been done to it and what I've done to it. So just right here, as you can see right here, the ride height is not stock. It is on some Abachi lowering springs and shocks. I don't know if they're coils. I haven't taken the wheels off yet. It's kind of dark out right now. I am doing this at nighttime. I tried to get underneath this light in this parking lot where this warehouse is at, right next to the airport. You guys can see the planes. A couple of them are like broken down, and so it's kind of cool. But so far what I've done to the car is I have replaced all of the coolant flanges to metal ones, as you can see right there, because that side one broke and I was leaking coolant everywhere, and coolant's not cheap. I also got a diverter valve right there, as you can see. It's just a cheap eBay one. I paid about 30 bucks for it. Sounds amazing. I also have an ECS tuning turbo inlet pipe, also as well with that, the ECS tuning cold air intake, which goes all the way down to the bumper right back here. I don't know if you can see it, probably not, but